iClever BTS04 wireless speaker. Here it is, over here. It's quite an interesting design. It's also upside down, which is not a good start. But you can see it's got a sort of a checkerboard style design on the front there. It's metal. It's not overly heavy, but it's also got a nice bit of weight to it, which is good. Some nice control buttons on the top here. You've got your play pause button, you've got your on off button, you've got your Bluetooth pairing button here, and you've also got the volume up and down, which also acts as your skip tracks buttons, and you've got a microphone here, another sort of breathing hole, I presume it is, around the back. This is all nice metallic finish here. We've got some rubber sections on the end here. This end here, as you may have seen, has got a flap on it, which protects these ports from dust. We've got a 3.5mm audio input and a micro USB charging port here, and that then sort of sits in there nicely like that. And we get the cables. Let's get that focused for you. We've got the cables here. So we've got a micro USB cable in the box. We've got 3.5 to 3.5mm connecting cables, should you have anything that doesn't have Bluetooth. And we've also got a little lanyard loop which connects into the top here of the speaker. Speaker itself is very good quality. Not often I say this with Bluetooth speakers, but the audio coming out of here is very loud, very crisp, very bassy. I must admit, I'm very impressed. The little instruction booklet, which you will immediately throw away, shows that it's got a 45mm 2 ohm 5 watt speaker, and it's version 4 of Bluetooth, and you can do the usual 10 meters. It's got 3 to 4 hours charging, and then it should work for 10 hours with the music playing on here. Inside is a 1800 milliamp hour lipolymer battery, which keeps it going for those 10 hours that I mentioned, which is really good. And obviously you can use this for hands-free calls as well, and there's a multifunction button. I'll just show you a little bit on how it connects. So I've got an iPhone here. I'm going to connect it on. So first of all, I'm going to turn it on and listen to this.
Device is ready for connecting.
Okay, so we've got a nice vocal prompt here, voice prompt. So I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on. I've already pre-connected it here on the iPhone. So I'm going to turn that on, and it should say connected any minute now. Oh, here you go. So you can see it's actually the BTS04. You can see the other devices I've reviewed in the past. So we'll connect to that.
Connected.
Okay, so connected, and then we go on to let's see, the BBC iPlayer, and we'll just press play on that one. And it's very loud, I must admit. The volume goes way up there. Let's see. The volume's quite low there, but it does go a lot louder. I can't play you all the tunes there because the YouTube will pick it up and block this entire video because of copyright. You can see the blue button on the top there, so you can press that, and it will either make or receive calls depending. You can
Device is ready for connecting.
You can also repair if you do that, which I've already done. And you can also play, pause, skip tracks, volume up and down through there. So it's the iClever wireless speaker, which I must admit is really rather good. So highly recommended.